Hi, my name is Brad and my theme is vocabulary, adventure, travel, present perfect with already, just, and yet. Present perfect. Use the present perfect of any verb is composed of two elements. The proper form of the auxiliary verb to have in the present and the past participle of the main verb. The past participle form of a regular verb is root plus ed. Ployed, arrived, watch. Verb in present perfect. Regular, ed, irregular, change. Verb walk, present perfect, walked. Verb eat, present perfect, eaten. Plus, she has visited my mom. She is subject, has auxiliary visited verb, my mom complement. She has not visited my mom. She is subject, has not auxiliary visited verb, and my mom complement. Has auxiliary, she subject, visited verb, my mom complement. Just, yet, and already. 1. We use yet when an action happened recently. Example, she has just seen the movie. 2. We use already when an action happened some than expected. Example, I have already finished my homework. 3. We use yet when we think the action will happen soon. Example, I haven't eaten yet. Vocabulary: go backpacking, go mountain biking, go sandboarding, go to summer camp, go on a safari, go rock climbing, go sailing, go on a cruise, go rafting, go ballooning, go bungee jumping.